Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into something truly powerful, something that can transform your life from the inside out. We're talking about the hidden power of relaxation techniques. You know, life can feel like a whirlwind sometimes. We're constantly on the go, juggling responsibilities and facing unexpected challenges. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, stressed, and completely out of balance. But what if I told you that there are simple, accessible tools that can help you navigate the chaos and find that sense of peace and tranquility you've been longing for? That's what we're exploring today. Stay tuned to discover 5 incredible methods to help you unwind and de-stress. We're about to unlock a world of calm and rejuvenation together. You deserve to feel your best, and these techniques can help you get there. Let's start with a technique so simple, so readily available that you can practice it anywhere, anytime. It's deep breathing, and it's more powerful than you might think. When we're stressed, our breath becomes shallow and rapid. Deep breathing helps reverse that. It's about taking slow, deep breaths, filling your lungs completely and exhaling slowly. This simple act sends a message to your nervous system to relax, slowing your heart rate and lowering your blood pressure. It's like hitting the pause button on stress. Imagine this. You're feeling overwhelmed at work. Take a few moments to close your eyes and practice deep breathing. Feel the tension melt away with each exhale. You can do this. Now let's talk about a technique that addresses tension where it lives, in your body. It's called progressive muscle relaxation, and it's about becoming aware of the physical sensations of stress. Here's how it works. You consciously tense and then release different muscle groups in your body. Starting with your toes, you curl them tightly, hold for a few seconds, and then let go, feeling the tension melt away. You move up your body, tensing and releasing each muscle group, your calves, thighs, stomach, arms, hands, face, everything. It's amazing how much tension we hold without even realizing it. By becoming aware of this tension and then consciously releasing it, you're teaching your body to relax. It's a powerful way to break the cycle of stress and find physical and mental peace. Our minds are incredibly powerful. What we focus on can either amplify stress or cultivate peace. That's where guided imagery comes in. Imagine this. You're lying in a meadow, the sun warm on your skin, a gentle breeze rustling the leaves. You can hear the birds singing, smell the sweet scent of wildflowers. Can you feel it? That's the power of guided imagery. By using your imagination to create calming and peaceful scenes in your mind, you can effectively reduce stress and promote relaxation. The key is to engage all your senses. Don't just visualize the scene. Hear the sounds, smell the scents, feel the sensations. Let your mind be your sanctuary. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly racing. Mindfulness meditation is about hitting the pause button on that mental chatter and finding stillness within. It's about bringing your attention to the present moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's like watching clouds drift by. You acknowledge them, but you don't get caught up in them. This practice helps you develop a greater awareness of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to respond to stress more calmly and rationally. Start with just a few minutes each day. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, gently guide it back. It takes practice, but the benefits are profound. We often think of relaxation as being still, but movement can be incredibly therapeutic. Regular physical activity is a powerful stress reliever. When you engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's yoga, walking, swimming, or dancing, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting effects. Exercise also helps you get out of your head and into your body. You focus on the movement, the rhythm, the feeling of your muscles working, and for those moments, stress takes a back seat. Find an activity you love and make it a regular part of your routine. Your mind and body will thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel empowered to prioritize your well-being and incorporate these relaxation techniques into your life. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more relaxed life. We're on this journey together. Which relaxation technique will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your experiences and the positive changes you create in your life.